Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make expanded form. Expanded form is a way to write numbers by showing the value of each digit. It helps us understand the true worth of each number based on its position. For instance, in the number 123, the 1 represents 100, the 2 represents 20, and the 3 represents 3. This method breaks down complex numbers into simpler, understandable parts, making arithmetic easier to grasp. Understanding place value is fundamental to mastering expanded form. Every digit in a number holds a specific value based on its position. For instance, in a number like 472, the 4 signifies 4 hundreds, the 7 signifies 7 tens, and the 2 signifies 2 ones. Recognizing these positions, from ones to thousands and beyond, is your first crucial step. To write a number in expanded form, you first isolate each digit. Then, you multiply each digit by its respective place value. For example, if you have a digit in the hundreds place, you multiply it by 100. If a digit is in the tens place, you multiply it by 10. Finally, you sum all these individual products to reveal the number's full expanded form. Let's walk through an example with the number 723. First, the 7 is in the hundreds place, so we have 7 times 100, which is 700. Next, the 2 is in the tens place, giving us 2 times 10, or 20. Finally, the 3 is in the ones place, so 3 times 1 is 3. Adding these together, the expanded form is 700 plus 20 plus 3.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.